Good morning, students. We are discussing the important compounds of S block elements. Okay. Up till now, we discussed washing soda, sodium hydroxide, and calcium carbonate. Let's have a discussion on hydrogen peroxide today. Molecular formula is H2O2. Okay. So, as usual, first we are discussing its methods of preparation. Okay. So first method for the preparation of hydrogen peroxide is hydrated barium peroxide. Hydrated barium peroxide, BaO2 dot 8H2O. When acidified, H2SO4aq at 273 Kelvin, it gives precipitate of barium sulfate plus H2O plus 8H2 plus H2O2 aqueous. Okay, what is this? Hydrated barium peroxide. Barium peroxide when treated with dilute sulfuric acid, that means hydrated barium peroxide on acidification at 273 Kelvin gives you precipitate of barium sulfate along with water and hydrogen peroxide. Okay, that precipitate is then removed by means of filtration. Precipitate of barium sulfate is removed by filtration, so that you will get the solution of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, then second method for the preparation of hydrogen peroxide, it is also called as Merck process. Merck process. Na2O2 म्हणजे काय लिहिणार? सोडियम पेरॉक्साइड. ओके, प्लस H2SO4aq. H2SO4aq at about 273 K gives H2O2 aq plus Na2SO4 aq. Okay, that means sodium peroxide, small quantity of sodium peroxide is added to ice cold dilute solution of sulfuric acid with stirring gives हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड. म्हणजे सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड कसं घ्यायचं आहे तुम्हाला? आईस कोल्ड डायल्यूट सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिडमध्ये स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ सोडियम पेरॉक्साइड काय करायची? ॲड करायची आहे विथ कंटिन्युअस स्टरिंग. द रिएक्शन विल टेक्स प्लेस अँड यू विल ऑब्टेन द aqueous solution of hydrogen peroxide. This is called as Merck process for the production of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, then third method for the preparation of hydrogen peroxide is by electrolysis of sulfuric acid. Electrolysis of sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid फॉर्म्युला काय लिहिणार, H2SO4 AQ dissociates as H plus plus HSO4 minus. Okay, so H plus goes towards cathode and HSO4 minus goes towards anode. So 50% solution of sulfuric acid is subjected to an electrolysis. Okay, आता हा जो HSO4 मायनस आहे तो कुणाकडे जाणार, ॲनोडकडे. ऑन ॲनोड this HSO4 minus oxidizes into peroxodisulfuric acid. 2HSO4 minus AQ goes towards anode. On electrolysis gets oxidized into peroxodisulfuric acid, H2S2O8 plus 2E minus H2S2O8. याचं नाव काय, परऑक्सो डायसल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. परऑक्सो डायसल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड. Okay, HSO4 minus moves toward the anode, undergoes oxidation and gives peroxodisulfuric acid. This peroxodisulfuric acid on hydrolysis gives hydrogen peroxide. OH SO2 O dash O dash SO2 dash OH. हे बघा, H2S2O8 तुम्ही डायरेक्ट H2S2O8 लिहिलं तरी चालेल. ओके, किंवा याचा स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला लिहिला आहे मी इथे, OH dash SO2 dash O dash O dash SO2 dash OH. त्याचं काय करायचं पुढे मग, हायड्रोलिसिस. विच ऑन फर्दर हायड्रोलिसिस gives 2H2SO4 plus H2O2. ओके, म्हणजे पेरॉक्सोडायसल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड ऑन फर्दर हायड्रोलिसिस. या रिएक्शनला काय बोलायचं, हायड्रोलिसिस. ऑन फर्दर हायड्रोलिसिस gets converted into sulfuric acid and hydrogen peroxide. In this way, by the electrolysis of 50% sulfuric acid, you will obtain H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, then next method for the preparation of hydrogen peroxide is from 2-ethyl anthraquinol, which is also called as industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen peroxide. Industrial method. For the preparation of hydrogen peroxide. Okay. 2-ethyl anthraquinol चा फॉर्म्युला, three aromatic rings are there attached to each other. Okay, to middle aromatic ring 2 OH group is attached. This is your 2-ethyl, नाही इथाइल नाही ॲड केला, हां इथाइल ॲड करा, C2H5. This is your 2-ethyl anthraquinol. Okay, So this is the formula for 2-ethyl anthraquinol. 3 aromatic rings, that means benzene rings are there. 2 middle benzene ring, 2 OH group, that means hydroxy group, that is alcoholic group, and to first benzene ring, ethyl group is attached. Its name is 2-ethyl anthraquinol. Okay. On air oxidation, irreversible reaction आहे. O2 आणि इथे H2 in presence of PT. Okay. आता 2-ethyl anthraquinol, when air or oxygen is passed into 2-ethyl anthraquinol, it undergoes oxidation. डबल बॉन्ड O, डबल बॉन्ड O. ओके. इथनं 2 हायड्रोजन रिमूव्ह होतात व्हेन इट इज ट्रीटेड विथ ऑक्सिजन, आणि हा जो प्रॉडक्ट मिळतो त्याचं नाव आहे 2-ethyl anthraquinone. QUINONE, ketonic group. Okay, that means OL, alcoholic group, OH group gets converted into C double bond O group, that is ketonic group. So 2-ethyl anthraquinol gets converted into 2-ethyl anthraquinone plus, आता हे 2 हायड्रोजन इथनं बाहेर पडणार आणि हे 2 ऑक्सिजन काय देणार तुम्हाला, H2O2. ओके, हे काय झालं तुमचं हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड. आता ही रिव्हर्सिबल रिएक्शन आहे. व्हेन हायड्रोजन गॅस इज पास्ड in presence of platinum as catalyst into 2-ethyl anthraquinone, this 2-ethyl anthraquinone gets reduced into 2-ethyl anthraquinol. This is called as industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, when air or oxygen is passed into 2-ethyl anthraquinol, undergoes oxidation to give 2-ethyl anthraquinone along with hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen gas is passed into 2-ethyl anthraquinone, it gets reduced into 2-ethyl anthraquinol. Okay, that's all about the methods of preparation of hydrogen peroxide. After that, let's have a discussion on physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is very pale blue colored liquid. It is very pale blue colored liquid. Okay. Then second property, it is miscible in water. It is miscible in water and forms hydrate H2O2 dot H2O, hydrated hydrogen peroxide. Okay, that's all about the physical properties of hydrogen peroxide. Then आता हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साईडचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन मेजर करण्यासाठी काही युनिट्स आहेत, जसं व्हॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ, पर्सेंट बाय मास. ओके, व्हॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथने हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साईडची आपण काय करू शकतो, स्ट्रेंथ डिटरमाइन करू शकतो. ते आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये शिकणार. ओके.